Hi everyone, welcome back to the Daily 3D Print. Today I'm going to carry on with the Sandbox tools. The next one I'm going to show you is this one called Drape. And Drape, what it does, it does exactly what it said. It drapes a shape onto a existing geometry. So before I made this topology, and if I go into the group and click on the surface, you see the whole thing is selected. Well, let's say we wanted to make a different material on just a little bit of this. Then we need to use this tool called Drape. So if I extend this rectangle that I did in the last tutorial, something like this. So it's like projecting it down really, but it lays exactly onto the geometry. So I select the surface. Click on this tool, Drape. When I click on it, if I look down to the left, select the mesh on which you wish to drape. Well, that's this. So if I click on this mesh, and there you go. Now I take Escape and deselect. And now you see that it's created the shape. It's created the shape all the way over this geometry. And it means that if I go into the group now, and select the surface, it's all selected except this part that we drape. So I could use the grass material, for example, and there you go. So that's how the Drape tool works in the Sandbox tools. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back for more tips and tricks in SketchUp.